Sairam children, how are you all? Fine, good. So welcome to online session. Identify these geometrical figures. First one is rectangle. Second one triangle. Third one square. First one is rectangle. Second one triangle. Third one is square. So these geometrical figures, they are flat surface, that is two-dimensional figures, two-dimensional objects. So two-dimensional objects or the flat surface objects, they occupy some space, and the space occupied by the two-dimensional figures or flat surface objects are known as area. So the space occupied by them is area. Today we are going to learn new chapter, area. Chapter 15, area. Now let's revise. These are some of the important formulae which we have studied in lower standard previous year. First one is area of square. Area of square is side square. Area of square is side square. Now area of square, side into side. Next one is area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. Now area of a right angle triangle. Now this is a right angle triangle and these are the sides forming right angle. So area of a right angle triangle is half into product of sides forming right angle, or half into product of sides making right angle. So these are its sides. So remember, area of right angle triangle, half into product of sides forming right angle or sides making right angle. Now this is area of a triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Area of triangle half into base into height. So similarly, area of right angle triangle is also half into sides forming right angle. They are nothing but base and height. Okay, now if sides of closed polygon are given in the units, if the units are centimeter, meter, kilometer, then the areas are in the units square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer respectively, because the area is measured by squares. Always remember, area is measured by squares. So unit of area is square, square centimeter, meter according to the unit given. So sides of a closed polygon, which are closed polygon? Like triangle, it's a closed figure. It is having 3 sides, we call it triangle. It is having 4 sides, quadrilateral. If 5 sides, pentagon, and so on. So we will be studying about area of triangle and some of the quadrilaterals. Okay, here's small activity for you. So you all are ready with book and pen, right? Good. What you will do? Only write answers. Fill in the blanks. If the length of the side of a square is 13 centimeter, then its area is dash. I will repeat twice for you, okay? If the length of the side of a square is 13 centimeter, then its area is dash. If the length of a rectangle is 9 meter and its breadth is 12 meter, then its area is dash. If the length of a rectangle is 9 meter and its breadth is 12 meter, then its area is dash. Next question. The base of a triangle is 16 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. Then the area of triangle is dash. The base of a triangle is 16 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. Then the area of triangle is dash. Next, the sides forming right angle of a right angle triangle are 22 centimeter and 6 centimeter. The area of a right angle triangle is dash. So the sides forming right angle of a right angle triangle are 22 centimeter and 6 centimeter. The area of a right angle triangle is dash. Okay, now children, check your answers. If your answer is correct, put tick. First answer is 169 square centimeter. Side of the square was 13. So a square will be 13 into 13. Square of 13 is 169. And unit of area square. So it is 169 square centimeter. If you got this answer, put tick. Next one was 108 square meter. So length and breadth were given to you, 12 and 9. So you have to multiply them. 12 into 9, that is 108. And the length and breadth there was given in meters, so square meter. And the third one is 40 square centimeter. Because base was 16 and height 5. So formula is half into base into height. Half into base. So base was 16. 16 is an even number. So 16 divided by 2. 8. 8 5s are 40. So you have to do it orally or mentally. Third, last answer is 66 square centimeter. Because sides forming right angles were 22 and 6. So half into 22 into 6. So you can divide 22 by 2, 11. 11 into 6. Or half divided by 6, 3. 22 into 3. So whatever you do the calculation, it is 66 square centimeter. Now check your answers. Unit is written correctly, give full 1 mark. Those who have got full out of full 4 marks, give excellent. Give remarks to yourself, write excellent. If you have got 3 answers correct, give very good. And if it is 2, 1, so give good. At least you have attempted. And next time, do it correctly and revise the tables and squares every day. Okay, now we are going to study about parallelogram. Now what is a parallelogram? A quadrilateral having opposite sides parallel is called a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is a quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? Four-sided closed figure. So it is a four-sided figure. And its opposite sides are parallel. Parallel means the segments or lines which do not intersect each other. So here also its sides are parallel. They don't intersect each other. That is, they are parallel. They have equal distance between them. Same way, this pair of opposite sides is parallel. And quadrilateral is a parallelogram having opposite sides parallel. It means between the parallels there is equal distance. Okay. Now, area of a parallelogram. Now this is a parallelogram, is base. If I call this is base, then this is height. So this is a base and height. Height is always we say perpendicular. So it is base and height. Now let's see how the area of a parallelogram. Now here another figure is given. This is a rectangle. And from this rectangle, this part is cut. You can see this part is cut. Yes. And this part is added here. So it is nothing but from the rectangle parallelogram is made. And area of a rectangle is length into breadth. One is length, one is breadth. So similarly, area of parallelogram is base into height. So we have learned area of parallelogram is base into height. Area of parallelogram, base, this is its base. And here is a perpendicular height. That is the distance between the two parallels. So base into height. And if you will take other side also like this base, then accordingly the height. So what we have to remember, area of a parallelogram is base into height. So what we have studied? We have studied about area of parallelogram, that is base into height. Let's start with practice set 15.1. If base of a parallelogram is 18 cm and its height is 11 cm, find its area. Base is 18 cm, height is 11 cm, and what we have to do? We have to find this area. So first we will write given. What is given? Base. Base of a parallelogram. Base of a parallelogram is 18 cm. What else is given? Height. Height is 11 cm. We have to find the area of a parallelogram. Given are two things: base 18 cm, height 11 cm. We have to find area of a parallelogram. So first we will write given to find solution. First write area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram. And what is the formula area of a parallelogram? Base into height. Area of parallelogram is base into height. Now substitute the values. Base is 18 and height is 11. What you have to do? You have to multiply 18 with 11. 18 11s. So quickly you have to multiply and get the answer. Answer is 198. 198. And the unit is square. Unit of area is square, and it was given centimeter. So it is 198 square centimeter. So 18 multiplied by 11, 198 square centimeter. Now we have to write the answer in statement. So write answer. Area of parallelogram is, or area of parallelogram is equal to 198 square centimeter. So what we have to do? We have to write what is given, that is base was given, height was given, to find, that is area of a parallelogram, and then we will write solution formula. What is the formula? Base into height. Then you multiply them and the answer write in full statement. Next question. If area of a parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter and its base is 8 centimeter, find its height. So here what is given? Area is given, and area of parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter. Area of parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter and its base is 8 centimeter. And what we have to find? We have to find area of a parallelogram. Given is area. How much it is? 29.6 square centimeter. Base 8. Find height of a parallelogram. Now solution. What we have to do? First we have to write the formula. Area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is, what is the area of parallelogram? Base into height. So write base into height. Area of parallelogram, base into height. Now substitute the values. In place of area, 29.6 is equal to base is 8. 8 into height. Then what we will do? We will take 8 to other side of the equality. So it will become divide. It is 8 multiplied by height. So 8 will go other side. It will become divide by. So 29.6 divide by 8. That is, you can directly divide. If the numbers are small, we can directly divide. So divide 29.6 with 8. So 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. So 3. Then 29 minus 24. What is the answer that is remaining? Remainder 5. Then put decimal and 6. 5.6. So this is 56. So 0.7. So this is the way 3.7. You can do the calculation orally, or actually you divide it. 29.6 divided by 8. You will get 3.7. So the answer is height of a parallelogram is equal to 3.7 centimeter. Because decimal is there at one place. Answer also decimal is there. Answer is height of a parallelogram is equal to 3.7 centimeters. Now next question. Area of a parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeters. Area of parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. If its height is 6.4, find the length of the base. Its height is 6.4, it is 6.4 centimeters. Find the length of its base. So, what we have to do? First write given. And what is given? Given is area. Area of a parallelogram 83.2 square centimeters. Write 83.2 square centimeters. And its height is 6.4 centimeters. It is 6.4 centimeters. Here it is 6.4 centimeters. So, height is 6.4 centimeter. What we have to do? We have to find the base of a parallelogram. So, whether we have to find base or height, we will write the formula. That is, first write solution. Then area of parallelogram. What is the formula? Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So, whether you have to find base, whether you have to find height, whether you have to find area, first write the formula. Area of parallelogram is base into height. Then what you are going to do? Substitute the values. In place of area, it will come 83.2 is equal to base. We have to find it. Value is not given. And for height, it is 6.4. Now what we will do? We have to find base. So 83.2 divided by 6.4. So divide 83.2 with 6.4. And both are having one decimal place. 83.2, one decimal place. 6.4, one decimal place. So what you can do? You can remove both have one decimal place. So you can remove from numerator and denominator. It will become 832 divided by 64. Then you have to reduce to lowest term or directly divide. Then you will get the answer 13. Answer is 13. So answer, write in statement. Base of a parallelogram is 13 centimeter. Base of a parallelogram is 13 centimeter. Now let's see this calculation. 83.2 divided by 6.4. And both are having equal number of decimal places. So what you do? You remove their decimal places. So it will become 832 divided by 64. Even you can reduce to lowest term. Divide by 8. Both the numbers are divisible by 8. So when you divide 832 by 8, it is coming, divide 832 by 8. 8 ones are 8. Then take one digit at a time. So when you take one digit at a time, 3 comes. 3 is not divisible by 8. So you put 0, then you take the next digit, 32. So 832 divided by 8, or directly divide by 8, you will get 104. And 64 divided by 8, you will get 8. So when you divide 832 by 64, divide by 8, you will get 104 divided by 8. Again you do divide 104 by 8. 8 ones are 8. Then 10 minus 8, so 24, that is 3s are. So this way children, you can do the calculation orally or divided. So this is the way how we have got the answer 13. Now this is the one activity, that is assignment, 2 sums you have to do with 4 steps given. Find solution. First question is, if base of a parallelogram is 2.8 centimeter, base is 2.8 and its height is 1.5 centimeter, find its area. So you will write given base of a parallelogram 2.8, height 1.5 centimeter, find area of parallelogram. Solution, area is equal to base into height. Substitute the values, 2.8 into 1.5, multiply, get the answer. And here decimal places are there, so be very careful where to put the decimal point. And we know the unit of area is square. So here it is square centimeter, it will come. Next question. Here area is given. Area of a parallelogram is 112 square centimeter and its base is 11.2 centimeter. Find its height. So your area is given. So you write given area of parallelogram 112 square centimeter. Base 11.2 centimeter. To find height of a parallelogram, then you will write solution. Area of parallelogram, base into height. Substitute the values. In place of area 112 is equal to, in place of base 11.2 into height. Therefore height is equal to, divide 112 by 11.2. And if you observe properly, then you will be able to, that you have to remove the decimal. And when you remove the decimal, and accordingly you have to solve. So this is, you have to solve it as an assignment by removing the decimal and all. Now, thank you. Here we have studied about area of parallelogram, and we will continue in the next session. So take good care of yourself.